Hello and welcome to SeedSoft. In today's video, I will show you how to use our variety, so effectively product module. First of all, how do you open the module? You press on the varieties button here on the left and you will get the table of all the available products for you. If you want to learn how to use the tables, there is a separate video on that topic that you can find. Let me jump into one of the products. I'll choose the coronation variety of watermelon as an example. I press on it. I open what I would call passport of the product. In the main tab, description tab, I have three subsections. The first one is SeedSoft standard, meaning you have just the absolutely basic information like the name of the variety, the family, the crop family, or the crop, supplier or breeder organizations if you have access to them in your company, product lifecycle global. A second section is SeedSoft customer customizable, meaning some customers could, for instance, want to have an ERP numbers, others might want to have an ecology or a name of a competitor, variety or a company, or something like unique selling point description of the variety. The third section is specific to crops. So the categories here that you will see are crop specific. So in case of watermelon, I have the seedlessness of watermelon. In this case, it's a seeded variety, as you can see from the photo. But for instance, the list of diseases will also be linked to watermelons. You will only have diseases that affect watermelons available here. I'll scroll back up and show you the other tabs. So the next one I would like to talk about is the product lifecycle local version. So here you can define or check where your product is at what product lifecycle stage. So in this case, South Africa, it's the first year of development. Egypt, already second year of development. Lebanon, even further. It's a pre-commercial variety, so just about to be introduced. Whereas in Iraq, as an example, it's a sell-off or sell-out, meaning the variety is going off market. Then let's move on to the trialing part. And if you press on the trials tab, you will immediately get a list of all the trials that have ever been done for this variety globally. You will see again standard information from our trials. If you want more details, refer to the correct video. Trial type, trial status. Probably most importantly, you can just press on any of the trials to jump into the details of these trials. Moving on, the observations tab, and yet again there is a separate video on this topic. If I open the observations tab, I will have a list of all the observations of this variety ever done. I have, of course, plenty of columns I can show, but in this case I'll just show you, the trial number, the observation number, and then the content of the observation, including the media. That's all available in just a couple of seconds in one place. Moving on, I would like to talk about the stock availability information for sample seeds, of course. That's this tab here, and it has two sections. The right-hand side shows you the current stock information split by your warehouses and split by loose seeds, so grams or kilograms, and pack seeds, so KSs or the seeds. You see that they are separately kept in our system. And then the left-hand side, the seeds availability, is more qualitative information. In this case, the next update should come in June. The last update was in December. And we have enough for 2 large trials. The final tab I would like to talk about today is the Assets tab. It will show you all the digital assets associated with this variety that are available for you. It could be photos, videos, leaflets, or any other digital media. And these could be just in the inbox when they were recently added, or tagged with the other possible tags that you have in your system. Typically, of course, this module is managed by a marketing manager. And again, if you would like to learn more about the digital asset module of SeedSoft, please refer to a separate video on that topic. Thank you very much and bye bye.